$230 accessory for your iPhone. Burma is getting sustainable, and Mumbai is officially the global runway. Hello, my name is Rupanjan Kumar, and I welcome you to Renaissance Solocast. Let's start with an expensive pouch. Apple and Ise Miyake have dropped an iPhone pouch, or you could say an iPhone pocket, which is 3D knitted. It's a limited edition wearable that is available on the internet and it's crazy. ये सिर्फ एक एक्सेसरी नहीं है, it's more of a statement. Apple and Ise Miyake इनके बहुत पुराने relations रहे हैं because Steve Jobs used to wear sweaters daily sweaters which were designed by Ise Miyake. And this particular pouch is so unique. It's available for around $150. It would be launching on November 14th globally. So you can actually purchase it. इंडिया में $150 होता है अराउंड 10-12 हज़ार रुपए और इंडिया में इसकी प्राइसिंग थोड़ी सी अलग हो सकती है आई जस्ट mention that out on the screen itself. You can have a look into it, and if you want a unique wearable for your iPhone, then you can definitely look into this and buy it. This pouch has set new bars in the fashion and the tech industry. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट न्यू बार्स तो बॉलमा जिसके बारे में हमने पिछली वीडियो में बात करी थी दे हैव लेफ्ट देयर रीसेंट क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर ओलिवर रूस्ट्रिंग और अब उनके पास एक नया क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर है राइट So, the new creative director's name is Antonin Tron. He was the founder of Etalin, which is a very structural trailering sort of a brand. और उनका eco consciousness रहता है. The designer himself focuses on eco consciousness and उनके design language is very structural. This shift is very massive because this shows Balma's shift towards more sustainable and eco-friendly looks, and they also want to create a different sort of an identity. His first collection would be launched in the month of March at Paris Fashion Week 2026, and you should be very much excited about it. And now let's turn to some heartwarming design. Simon Porte Jacquemus, the creative director at Jacquemus, has released a new bag. By the way, Jacquemus is a brand very popular for their accessories. They also make good clothes, but mainly their accessories. आपने वो छोटे छोटे bags देखे होंगे या थोड़े unique type के bags देखे होंगे. You might be able to see them on the screen right now. आपने वैसे bags देखे होंगे. So the brand that makes those bags is Jacquemus, and it's a very creative brand. They're very popular for their marketing. And with that creative approach, he has designed a new bag, which is playful, minimalistic, and it's specially a tribute to his late mother. The bag's name is Valerie, which was the name of his mother itself. And the bag is very playful, as I mentioned. It embodies love, memory, and the Mediterranean spirit into it because they have a Mediterranean roots. The thing is that this bag shows how you can turn emotions into timeless and elegant products like this. The design is so gorgeous and meaningful that it almost makes you forget कि ये जो पर्टिकुलर बैग का कॉस्ट है विच इज़ अराउंड $3,630 equivalent to around 3.5 lakh rupees in India is more than the payment that you would make for your car, the installment payments that you make for your car, and it's very expensive, but it's so meaningful. So you can purchase it if you have that sort of money. Great. And now let's move on to some Indian news. The very first news is coming from Design Mumbai. Design Mumbai returns on November 26 to November 29, 2025 in Mumbai itself. And it is a major place for creative exchange of ideas. It is an international trade show. And it is a place which opens global gates for like international exchange of creative ideas. So it is a good place to be in if you are in Mumbai and want to visit this place. You can actually go into their website. I'll link that down in the description below, and you can visit the international trade show and you can have a look into it. You can find creative people there and communicate better, make connections, and build your brand itself. This trade show couldn't have been better timed because our Indian designers are going global and उनके बारे में बात करना important है. It's not a news that I want to discuss in this part. It's more of an appreciation sort of a thing. Anamika Khanna debuted at the London Fashion Week and she infused Indian heritage with street style. So now you have a bahana to wear your sneakers with whatever you want. मतलब ऐसा कुछ है नहीं मत पहनना sneakers please. Slim fit clothes के साथ sneakers मत पहनना. That is a request. Apart from that, Shantanu and Nikhil has presented their show in Moscow. The show is called Amor, and it is more of a strength and elegance of a thing. Like the whole collection is based on that, the strength and the elegance. Apart from that, Dhruv Kapoor has impressed Milan with his structural and layered outfits, which shows very much depth in the outfits. these designers are just not representing India. They are like opening global gates for Indian designers, and they are just showing that India could be better and they could also be the best in the fashion industry. And that was it for the news. I hope you did like all the news, international, Indian, और क्या बात करा हमने, इन दोनों चीज़ों के बारे में ही बात करा ना, इन दोनों चीज़ों के बारे में। आई होप यू डिड लाइक द न्यूज़। अगर कोई सजेशंस हैं आपके तो प्लीज़ नोट दैट डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो। वीडियो को लाइक कर लेना, हमें सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लेना, एंड वी पोस्ट 2 days a week। ठीक है, ऑन वेडनेसडेज वी पोस्ट अंडररेटेड कंटेंट, एंड ऑन सैटरडेज वी पोस्ट दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज, द न्यूज़ अराउंड द फैशन सीन। So you can come on both of those days at random timings. अभी हमने timing set नहीं करा है because we are experimenting. But you can come at random timings. You can follow us on Instagram. वहाँ पे हम updates डालते रहते हैं, and you can just come and watch the video. That would help us a lot. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.